Assalamualaikum. Hi, it's me, Dr. Ija. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can add folder into your course page in Moodle. Okay, so in my previous video, I show you how to add file on your course page in Moodle. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add folder into our course page, as part of adding your course resources. So after you have turned editing on your course page, okay, you can click add an activity or resource. So it will direct you into this page. You can go to resources and you can choose folder. So when you choose folder, it will direct you into this page, adding a new folder into the topic, which is my topic is adding course resources, which is folder. And under general part, don't forget to write the name of the folder. Collection of articles in inquiry-based learning. Okay, because all of the documents that I am going to add in the folder is the articles regarding the lecture that I'm going to teach, which is inquiry-based learning. And I'm going to add a description to this folder. This folder contains 2 articles regarding inquiry-based learning. Please read the articles before the lecture starts. Okay, so I'm going to bold and make it bigger so that everybody can read it. Not just read, but attract the readers with the bold and large font. And don't forget to click on display description on course page so that whatever that you have written under description part will be shown on your course page. And under content, this is where you will need to add your files. So I'm just going to drag and drop. I'm going to drag and drop my file. Okay, let's say in my desktop, I have under, this one. So I have 2 articles that I want to upload. Okay, ICT, iQuery ICT. Okay, this one. Okay, I just drag and drop. Okay, I have another one. Okay, drag and drop. So now what you can see is that I have 2 articles that I have uploaded into this folder. If you have more, you can upload more. In this case, I only have 2 articles to upload. So my folder now contains multiple files. So the rest, you just leave it by default, and at the very bottom of the page, you just click Save and Return to Course. So now it will direct you to your course page, and what you can see on the topic that you have uploaded your folder is that it contains the articles that you have uploaded in the form of a folder. So this is a symbol of a folder, and this is a symbol of a file. In this case, for file, I uploaded a PDF file, so it shows a PDF file. And this one is a symbol for folder. So when I click collection of articles in inquiry-based learning, it will direct you to a page where it shows these 2 files that I have uploaded into this folder. Okay, so return back. Right. Okay, so let's go back to your course page. So I hope that you are able to upload files into a folder form, and upload the folder on your course page. Thank you very much.